So step one of research is to define your task. And that's a very fancy way of just saying, explain what you are going to be researching specifically. So defining your task. I can't just say, like I explained in my introduction video, I'm going to research animals. That doesn't work. There's nothing to look at to see if you've completed your research. Animals and thinking about animals and talking about animals and researching animals can go on infinitively. Like there's no way to stop that and to know when you have answered your question. So what you really need to know for a research project is a specific question, a very specific question. Now, if that specific question becomes too difficult to research, then you can broaden it just a little bit. But defining your task just means, what do you need to know exactly? You want to be so specific. You don't want this big, broad topic. So when your teacher says, you can research anything you want, you don't need to say, I'm going to research bees. Bees is still a really broad topic. I know I went under animals and then I came down to animals to like an insect category and did bees. You can't even go bees. There's so much to talk about when it comes to bees. We need to be even more specific. What do I actually want to know about bees? It'll be so hard if I just research bees. What do I want to know about bees? Okay, well, I really like honey. So maybe I focus there. How do bees actually make honey? That would be a great research project, because then I have a question that's directing my research. How do bees make honey? And once I come up with the information that gives me the answer to that, I know that I have completed my research. So that's it. That's my research question here for the teaching portion of research is, how do bees make honey? Now, I can take that question and turn it into my research task. I want to know how bees make honey. You are not allowed to pick that for your research topic because I'm going to be guiding you through that one. You have to pick something else. Now, like I said, you can go anywhere under that umbrella of animals, but you've got to be very specific. If you narrow it down, like I did insects, and then I did bees, but then I had to do something very specific about bees. I want to know how bees make honey. You need to do that same thing. Take a couple of minutes, pause, think, narrow down that animal umbrella to a category, a specific thing, and a specific thing about that animal. Okay? So go ahead. Last time you visited, we talked about how you're going to need to always bring something to write with and record in with you. So you should have something with you. Inside your research materials, I want you to write down your topic. You're going to pick your topic right now. You're going to write down what that topic is. And in a few minutes, you will be directed on your next step.